Hello students, welcome to my channel as well learning. Regular and irregular verbs. Let's learn regular verbs first. Walk, walked, walk, walked. Play, played, play, played. Clean, cleaned, clean, cleaned. Help, helped, help, helped. Wash, washed, wash, washed. Cook, cooked, cook, cooked. Watch, watched, watch, watched. Laugh, laughed, laugh, laughed. Cry, cried, cry, cried. End, ended, and, ended. Pin, pinned, pin, pinned. Call, called, call, called. Visit, visited, visit, visited. Work, worked, work, worked. Open, opened, open, opened. Dance, 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 danced. Clap, clapped, clap, clapped. Slap, slapped, slap, slapped. Kick, kick, kick. Now this is the time to learn irregular verbs. So let's see. Go, went, go, went. Sleep, slept, sleep, slept. See, saw, see, saw. Eat, ate, eat, ate. Drink, drank, drink, drank. Write, wrote, write, wrote. Read, 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 read. Speak, spoke, speak, spoke. Take, took, take, took. Give, gave, give, gave. Buy, bought, buy, bought. Find, found, find, found. Feel, felt, feel, felt. Make, made, make, made. Have, had, have, had. Get, got, get, got. Meet, met, meet, met. Win, won, win, won. Forget, forgot, forget, forgot. Tell, told, tell, told. Steal, stole, steal, stole. Break, broke, break, broke. Thanks for watching as well learning. Like, share and subscribe my channel.